you are using the tables in a wrong way in Excel. I got you curious? Stay with me until the end to take full advantage of the tables inside Excel. So here we have a simple sheet. What is usually the main goal when we create a table? To make the data look pretty. Basically is the only reason why people use tables. So how can we create a proper table? We click in one of the cells, go to insert and table. Click OK, and there it is. Usually here is where most people stop and go do something else. But tables are much more than just a pretty way to show the data. So today we're gonna check a few extra steps that we can do to upscale our analysis using tables. First of all, we can change the style and use other colors here in the table styles. We have light styles that have more simple colors. We have medium styles that have more colorful tables, and dark styles that have strong colors. I usually go to medium, and let's try and choose this purple here. Here at the side, we have a few options to change the structure of our table. Here we have header rows, if we want to show the headers or not. The total rows, if we go to the end of the table, if we, click here. Oh, and when we create a table, if we click here in the table, you will see that we have extra option here called table design. That's where all these options will be available. If we click in total row, we can see that a total appear here, dependent rows. Here, if we select or not this option, we're gonna clear the table to just set one color, or if we go banded rows, select it, it will alter between two different colors, okay? If we go banded columns, it will happen the same thing, but instead of rows, we'll go to columns, okay? And if it selected both, it will be this way. I think this is a little strange. Usually we choose banded rows or banded columns, okay? First and last columns, we'll put these columns in bold, as you can see here. Filter button is to show or not the filters in each column. Talking about filters, this is a natural advantage of the tables. They automatically put filters in every column, but instead of going to home, sort and filter, and activating the filter, it's already there for us to use and works as any other filter in Excel. We click Excel, in Excel, for example, and we'll filter the table. You can clear it out and go to region. And the filter will respect the type of data that we have in our column. Here is text. It will have text filters. But in our tables, we have a better way to use filters, a more visual way. If we go here in table options, we have slicers, insert slicers. Let's click here. As you can see, we can choose a few columns. Let's choose region and product. When you do that, we create two slicers. They are very similar to the slicers in Power BI. Now we have a more visual way to filter our table. If we click in North, it only shows the North. And clear it out. And now go to Python. You filter the table to only show Python values. We can combine both of the filters. Midwest, Python. If you want to select more than one filter, you click on one, then hold Ctrl and click in the next. Now we are selecting Midwest and North. We can clear the slicers using this button here. Another advantage of using tables is when we want to create some calculations using formulas. For example, if I want to do a sum, as you can see, instead of showing us the range of cells, it's showing us at value. What does that mean? It means that using a cell of the table. So if I select the entire range of the column, instead of at value, it's just showing value. That means that it's selecting the entire column. As you can see, it brings us the total sales of that column. Now, if I want to add a few extra rows, for example, $1,000, as you can see, it was 77, now it's 78. So it automatically added the new row to our total. We do not need to remember to add the new cell in the range of data. It shows automatically. Another advantage of using tables is when we add a value here, it automatically maintains the formatting of the column. The same will go to data. If I put another data here, automatically created a new date. Remember that when we add a date in Excel without showing the year, it will automatically use the current year. In this case, 2025. Okay. So there you have it. We have a lot of additional uses to tables that can bring our analysis to another level. I hope that you like it and this video be useful to you. So what do you think of today's video? Let me know all in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And I see you guys on our next video.